Hello everyone, my name is Vimarsh Srivastava and I'm Biotech first year student, and today I came here to talk about the biotech and the corona. And if we are talking about this topic, then we should know about the virus, because the virus is responsible for the infection globally and took the millions and the thousands of death throughout the world. And the infection which caused this virus is SARS-CoV-2, which is officially known as the coronavirus in 2019. And because of this virus, the pandemic occurred throughout the world. And in this video I tried to include all the topics related to the biotechnology and the virus too, and I try to make it more interesting by using some types of photos and statistics too. In biotechnology, the technique which is used to detect the virus is known as PCR technique. But when the scientists use this technique on the virus, the cloning of the virus lie, because the virus do not have an DNA, it has an RNA. So if we want to detect the virus, we should use more sophisticating technique, which is known as RT-PCR. And in this technique, the virus is transformed to RNA to DNA. Now you can see some of the medicines above there, and except all these medicines, remdesivir is a more effective medicine which is developed by the Gilead Science and administered via infection in the vein. And this medicine is authorized for the emergency uses of coronavirus in USA, India, Japan, and Singapore also. Here you can see some of the graph and statistics, and while looking at that you will feel that the virus doesn't affect our health, but it affects our economy also. And while affecting the economy means that it affects our GDP. And you will see that the stock market, sometimes stock market crashes also, and it goes down into negative. And because of all that, our GDP is falling day by day. The spikes are the most distinguished feature of the coronavirus, and they are the main reason of causing a corona or a hair-like surface. On average, the corona has 74 spikes, and each spike is 20 nanometer long, and trimer of an S protein. And S protein is turned to composed of S1 and S2 subunits. The S1 subunit form the head of the spikes and has a receptor binding domain RBD, and S2 protein form the stem which anchor the spike in viral envelope. And on protease activation envelope fusion. Here you can see the diagram of a genome and function domain of S protein for SARS-CoV and MERS. Here you can see some of the biotech companies who took part in making vaccines, and there are some of the pharmaceutical companies who are working day and night for making the vaccine and to protect the people. This is a world we are going to see the infection and the viruses that we have never seen before, and for the treatment of that infection, we have to be really good at development of the vaccines quickly on time. And for that, the government should focus on the biotech and the pharmaceuticals companies